Alam nyo ba na mga legalistic Christian ay katulad ng mga Pariseo? Marami silang methods. Alam nyo ba pag sumasagot tayo ng mathematical solution, may long method, may short method. Ang mga legalistic, pag sinabi nilang long method, long method. Pag sinabi nilang short method, short method. Even if you arrive in the same answer. Alam nyo ba kay Lord? Walang long method. Walang short method. As long as you arrive in the same answer. And the answer is always Jesus. Pag nasa puso mo si Jesus, you will arrive in the same answer. Because Jesus will teach us the right method. Paano tayo makakarating sa Kanya? Because Jesus is the answer. Wala nang iba. Wala nang ibang method. It's always Jesus.